Yesterday, we learned how to create electronic configuration of a certain atom using Aufbau diagram. And we do that together yesterday. Now, today, we are going to redo the process. This video will show you how to create electronic configuration of titanium with a little bit of difference. Instead of using this Aufbau diagram, we are using something else. Is a modified Aufbau diagram, which I made. Usually for my students, this diagram is easier, and yeah, most of my students are happy with this diagram here, the one that I make. And we are going to learn how to do this, how to create an electronic configuration of any atom. And this example, we are going to use titanium. And if you look at the periodic table, titanium has 22 electrons. Now, it's going to be very, very simple. We check the number 22. I already, in my Aufbau diagram, I already count the cumulative number of electron below here, which means if you are asked to make electronic configuration of titanium which has 22, we just look at these two here. Until 4s2 is 20 electrons, until 3d10 is 30. And 22 electrons, 22 is between 20 and 30, which means we should end up with 3d10. No, not 3d, not 3d10, but 3d something. Yeah. So what we do, we erase the bottom part, the part that is more than 3d. That means we erase also the 4p. Yeah. So 22 is equals to 20 plus 2. So what we do, instead of using 3d10, we have only 3d2 only. Yeah. Which means our answer, the last part of our electronic configuration is 4s2 3d2. Okay, let's read our electronic configuration of titanium. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d2. That's the electronic configuration of the titanium, which I already make somewhere here below. Yeah. So this, oops, this is the electronic configuration. You should put it at one line. Yeah. Titanium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d2. So that's the electronic configuration of titanium. For the video tomorrow, we are going to make another one, slightly more complicated electronic configuration, maybe some ions. Yeah. Okay.